Hello there. This is gonna be really, really weird. But we just got new phones, and I was looking through the ringtones, and you have no clue how weird the ringtones of a just normal phone can be. That is not weird at all. But, for example... Okay, that is not close to me. For example, that. That is like make-out music. And I find it very inappropriate that this ringtone is called Bottle Blow. Then we have the classic ring, which is very annoying. Funky drop. Oh yeah, feeling funky. Night call. Yeah, more like someone sitting on the toilet with pretty bad gas and receiving a call at night. That is not annoying at all compared to the other ones. And that is called smoothie. So that is pretty awesome. Yeah. You chilling yet? Step to 8. That is pretty okay compared to the others. This one's called Try Better. And I would so freak out if I heard it all the time. This one's called Slippin'. Piano. I know a friend that would definitely take this ringtone. This one's called Fun Fun Fun. Fun Fun Fun. I did the Fun Fun Fun, by the way, if you didn't notice. Guitar Man again. Well, gone through them now, and they're all pretty annoying. Yeah, so kind of a dilemma here. Anyways, yeah, that is the end of this pointless recording.